Hey, welcome back to the channel. I'm Chantelle and welcome to the Bali series. So Beyond Bungalows, it's a bungalow with 7 rooms. They rent them out individually. It's such a cool concept actually. So each room has its own bedroom area and bathroom. I think they've all got baths in as well, partially outdoor bathrooms. With a cool pool in the centre, and then there's this communal space that people can come if they want to cook, if they want to work, if they want to network. So they try to build like a little community in here, and there's also a communal bathroom in here, but obviously you do have your own. If you haven't done already, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press that notification bell for new video releases. And then you come upstairs and it's just a cool space that people can use for meditation or yoga or reading. Just a nice quiet space. So cool. Also got this communal shower area which is set in a little bit of a jungle, lots of plants out here, really lush, just a really nice vibe. Let me show you. Hey, so that's it for this tour. I really hope you enjoyed it and found it inspirational. Let me know what you think of it in the comments, and don't forget to check out the other videos as part of the Bali series. See you next time.